Hey guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel, and today we'll be installing a wig. We'll be installing this 30-inch synthetic wig. I would tell you what type of lace it has, but I don't really know what type of lace it has. I just know it's synthetic. So the first thing that you must do is make sure that your wig is placed in the right position. And of course, my wig was already pre-cut. I used the Glamour holding glue for my wig by applying the glue where I want to let my lace sit and then spreading it out with a comb. Sure that before moving on to the next layer of glue, that your glue is dried up tacky instead of actually fully dry, and that you use cold air for it. I usually do 3 layers, so I did 3 layers for this wig. After letting the glue get tacky, I now start pulling the lace onto the glue. Make sure that the lace covers the glue completely and isn't behind the glue but in front of it. Make sure to hold it as long as possible until you feel like it's secure. If you feel like the areas where the glue didn't really stick well, then you can still go in with more glue and then hold on to it until you feel like the glue is secure. And make sure to blow your hairline before melting your lace, because if you don't let it dry, then it's gonna come out sticky. And I use this stocking to help melt my lace into my skin, because the girlies on TikTok said it's the best way possible, and personally I agree. I totally agree. I let them lace melt for like 15 minutes, because any longer then I would have exploded, guys. As you can see, the lace doesn't really match my complexion. It's white, and we're going to fix that by using foundation. Make sure that your foundation is darker than your actual complexion. It's darker. It has to be darker than your skin. Use a brush to blend the foundation into the lace, but you can also use your finger so that the foundation is blended in perfectly. After blending the foundation into my lace, I then sectioned up the areas where I want my edges to lay. After separating the hairs from my edges, I then went in with some Glamour holding spray by spraying it on the back of a cap and then applying it onto my lace with my finger. This will help the foundation stick to the lace better and help the melting process. After applying the Glamour spray, I then went in with my blower and used cold air. I say always use cold air. And then we went in with the stocking again for the last time for 15 minutes. Whilst I waited for my lace to melt, I went in with wax stick and tried to smooth out all the fray hairs and fix up the wig. Once the 15 minutes are up, I removed my stocking, and you can clearly see that that lace is melted. I then went in with the finishing touches by fixing up my edges and then brushing my hair. For the last step, I brushed my hair and then hot combed it.